Hey guys, this is Driving with Myles. Let's go ahead and talk about basic controls driving through a neighborhood. This is a cul-de-sac or a circle drive. You want to look and turn hand over hand. Don't turn fast because you'll jerk the car. Don't overturn it. And then you turn out hand over hand. These are some of the basic maneuvers I take students through. We're going to go ahead and do a 3-point turnaround. My left turn signal's on. I'm going to go ahead and practice turning, and I turn in and then I turn out. I see the truck behind me. You always have to look. You're going to hear my chiming too. You saw that in the camera. So I look left, I look right. I'm looking, I look over my shoulder, and I turn hand over hand to the left. The rear will go to the left, the front will swing out to the right. And then I turn back, hand over hand. That's a pretty good maneuver. When you're driving through a neighborhood, what do you look for? You're looking for little kids. You're looking for toys. You're looking for people walking. You always have to be aware. Let's go ahead and make a left turn here. And then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. Always scan, always look around. I'm gonna go ahead and make a right turn. I'm looking and scanning. You have to develop good observation skills with your basic control. I'm looking, and then I turn. And let's go ahead and do another maneuver. I'm gonna back into this driveway. You wanna pass the driveway a little bit. You put it in reverse. The backup camera's on, it's in R. You look over your shoulder and you turn all the way to the right. Checking, go up slow. Use your camera to help you. Straighten up, back in straight. Now, I'm gonna turn to the left, my left blinker's on. You see me looking and checking, turning hand over hand. You have to be able to master these skills. And then I turn out. I'm gonna turn on my left turn signal. I'm looking and checking traffic. Start in neighborhoods, and as you get more confident, go on to low volume, low traffic streets. So we're coming up to a T intersection. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm turning on my left turn signal. Remember, left is down. Let's take a look at this. Left is down, right is up. A lot of times beginning drivers, someone less than 10 years of experience, turns on a wrong blinker. Don't get frustrated. Left is down. I'm coming up. Example, there's a big truck behind me. I still have to do my maneuver. Take your time. I've looked, I've checked, I turn. Now I'm gonna show you if you palm the wheel, what happens. See how I overturn? Don't palm the wheel. Take your time, develop good fundamentals. I'm looking. I'm gonna go ahead and make a right turn up here. This is another T intersection. Many neighborhoods, subdivisions, condo areas have T intersections. I'm looking, checking traffic. We have the right of way, they have a stop sign. Always turn into the nearest lane, turn out. They're doing some construction up here. Let's treat this like a teachable moment. I'm looking, I'm driving, I'm taking my time. I see a tarp. You need to be able to perform a 3-point turnaround. So I'm turning, my left turn signal's on. I'm taking my time, I'm rolling up. Okay, I'm up in the driveway. I'm gonna yield and let those cars go by. Being patient, always looking. Always look. You hear my chime? This is telling me cars are behind me, and there's a dog in the window if you saw it. So I'm just waiting. I'm gonna be patient. And this is really hard for beginning drivers to be patient. See, my chime went off again. This is telling me there's a car. So I'm just going to wait. You can see the car in my backup mirror, backup camera, and I'm going to wait. There's the chime again. So I'm gonna roll back, I'm looking, I turn hand over hand to the left, the rear goes to the left, you have to master this, and I turn back, hand over hand. That's a pretty good maneuver. Now I want to be careful with this tarp. I don't want it to get caught in the vehicle. So I'm going to get over to the right, and then we have our construction workers. Someone's getting a driveway poured in. So I'm gonna go slow. I'm holding my wheel, and you can see how big this large cement truck is. I'm just going slow, taking my time, right? Getting that driveway in. And I'm going to go ahead and make a right turn. I'm turning hand over hand. Let's go ahead and finish with the parallel park. I'm going to pull up next to this vehicle, and you need to master this. I'm in reverse, foot's on the brake. I'm going to roll back halfway, and I turn all the way to the right.